Hello, dear students. Today I am going to start the new chapter. It's chapter number 5, that is laws of motion. And this chapter should be completed in 14 periods. And 14 periods are allotted to this chapter. And 5 to 6 marks questions will come from this chapter. So, this is the part 1 of this chapter. In this chapter, I am going to tell you the introduction and the syllabus. Okay. This chapter is broadly classified into 3 parts. The syllabus of first part is written here, that is concept and introduction, inertia and its types, first law of motion, momentum and second law of motion, impulse and third law of motion. This is the first part that we will discuss one by one. Okay, so in the introduction I have given you the syllabus of the first part. Now I will continue with the concept and introduction. So basically, what is motion? You have heard about it, that if an object changes its position with time, then it is in motion. We say that this object is in motion. So in the previous chapter, that was motion in a straight line and motion in a plane, you have learned about the motion, that is linear motion, translatory motion, circular motion. In that chapter you have studied about the motion, but you don't know what was the cause of the motion, what was the basic reason behind the motion. So in this chapter you will learn that what is motion and what are the forces, or what you can say what are the different external causes due to which motion occurs. Okay, so the first basic thing due to which the motion occurs is force. What is a force? Force is an external agency, or you can say factor, which could bring an object to rest, or it can bring an object to motion. Means, if an object is lying here, if you will kick it, if you will apply a force, if its initial velocity is 0, if you apply a force, then this ball will move and will attain certain velocity v. So if an object is at rest, if you apply a force, the object will gain some velocity and it will move. Consequently, if an object is moving with certain velocity v, u is having certain velocity v, meter per second, you apply force and you can bring this object to the rest. How? By applying brake. So what is a force? A force is any external agency or any factor which could bring an object to rest, or it can bring any object to motion. Okay, so it is a force. So Newton has given several laws of motion. Okay, we will learn about the laws of motion in different videos, so stay tuned with this. Okay, don't miss any video. And I am resting with this topic only. In the next topic I will tell you about the inertia and its types. Thank you.